Good morning, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to understand about adjectives. Basically, we are going to understand about degree of comparison. So let's start. So in your previous class, I told you about degree of comparison. Adjective of quality have three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. So if suppose I say tall, that's the adjective. So tall is positive degree, taller is comparative, and tallest is superlative. So while making comparative and superlative, we need to add er, right? If our last letter is consonant and before the consonant that's a vowel letter is there, so we need to double the last letter, like sad, sadder, double D should be mentioned there. And if our last letter is Y and before the Y, any consonant is there, so we should add IER and we should remove Y, right? In same way, IEST for superlative. If our word is related to more than two syllables, so we should use more and most to make that adjective, comparative, and superlative, right? These are all the things I told you in your previous class. And then I told you the positive degree is used when no comparison is made. So whenever we don't make any comparison, so we should use positive degree. Like if I say Mohit is a tall boy, so I'm not making any comparison in this sentence. I'm just describing Mohit means he is a boy. Along with this, he is a tall boy, right? Today Rahul is sad. So I'm just telling about the Rahul. Rahul is sad today. It is an easy question. So about the question, I'm telling that it is an easy question. So positive degree is also used when similarity is shown in the respect of the quality. So whenever we show the similarity in the respect of quality, so we should use positive degree in this formation. Like suppose that Ram is 6 feet tall and Sham is also 6 feet tall. So if you want to show the similarity, so we can say that this sentence in this way: Ram is as tall as Sham. Ram उतना ही लंबा है जितना कि Sham. So as a positive degree as this formation we can use to show the similarity. And suppose that Ram is 6 feet tall, but Mohan is 7 feet tall, right? So if we want to show the dissimilarity, so we can also like show and use this formation. We can say in this way: Ram is not as tall as Mohan. Ram is not tall. Ram is not as tall as Mohan. Ram उतना लंबा नहीं है जितना कि मोहन है. So instead of as tall as, we can also use so tall as, right? So in negative sentence, we can use as tall as means as positive degree as or so positive degree as in negative sentence, right? Then I told you about the comparative degree. So suppose that Ram is 6 feet tall and Mohan is 7 feet tall. So with the help of comparative degree, we can say this sentence: Mohan is taller than Ram. मोहन इज टॉलर देन राम मीन्स मोहन जो है वो राम से ज्यादा लंबा है. So we can say this sentence with the help of positive degree. And in this way also we can say when we talk about the selection, Mohan is the taller of two boys. Mohan is the taller of two boys. दोनों लड़कों में से मोहन ज्यादा लंबा है, right? So there you need to use comparative degree. Suppose that the speed of red car is 100 km per hour and the speed of yellow car is 120 km per hour. And so this comparison we can say this way: yellow car is faster than the red car, right? Yellow car is the faster of two cars. So in this way also we can say these are all the things we discussed in our previous class. And superlative degree we use superlative forms to compare more than two things, like the speed of red car is 100 kilometer, the speed of yellow car is 120 kilometer, the speed of black car is 150 kilometer. So you know that this like comparison you can do in this way: the black car is fastest car of these three cars because the speed of black car is 150 kilometer, that is the fastest car, right? So this sentence also we can say in this way, and we can use here comparative degree. The black car is faster than any other car. The black car is faster than any another car, right? So some more examples I tell you. So these examples we did not discuss in our previous class. So suppose that mango's price is 50 rupees per kg, and oranges price is 80 rupees per kg, and apples price is 100 rupees per kg. So you know that most most expensive fruit is apples, right? So this sentence we can say in this way also. If we compare, if we make comparison of mangoes and oranges, so we can say this sentence, oranges are more expensive than mangoes. यानी कि oranges जो हैं वो 80 रुपीज के जी हैं, mangoes क्या 50 रुपीज के जी हैं. तो हम इन दोनों का कंपैरिजन करें और अगर हम ये कहना हो कि oranges जो हैं वो mangoes से ज्यादा महंगे हैं, so we can say oranges are more expensive than mangoes, right? And this sentence we can also say oranges are more expensive of these two fruits. इन दोनों fruits में oranges जो हैं वो ज्यादा expensive है, ज्यादा महंगे हैं. Then we can say this sentence in this way also, right? And also we can say this talk in this matter, in this style, in this formation. Mangoes are not as expensive as oranges. Mango जो हैं वो उतने महंगे नहीं हैं जितने की oranges हैं, right? So in which formation you want to use, you can use, right? If you make comparison of three fruits, mangoes, oranges, and apples, so this comparison you can say in this way: apples are the most expensive of these given fruits. जो एप्पल जो है सबसे एक्सपेंसिव फ्रूट है, महंगा फ्रूट है, क्योंकि उसका प्राइस कितना है 8 रुपीज पर केजी है, राइट? And apples are more expensive than any other given fruits. So this way also you can say that, right, students? Now, dear students, on the behalf of this understanding, you need to find some error. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Okay, you need to find the error according to their degree of comparison, right? Let me do some setting, then you can raise your hand and you can tell me the answer. Please wait. Yeah. Sohan is as better as Rohan. Sohan is as better as Rohan. Can you tell me what is mistake in this sentence? Please wait. Let me do some setting. Please wait. Please wait. Let me do some setting from my end so that I can see the hand of everyone. Wait, please, just for 10 seconds. Okay, yes. Ekansh, you please tell me. You have raised your hand first. What is the mistake in this sentence? Sohan is as better as Rohan.
Sir, Sohan is as better than Rohan.
No, beta. We need to use, like as positive degree as we need to use here. So better is not positive degree, means that is comparative degree. So positive degree we need to use. So we can say that Sohan is as good as Rohan, right? So in as or as formation, we should use positive degree. Between this, we need to use positive degree, right? So this was a mistake. Okay. Next, I am so tall as my brother. I am so tall as my brother. So what's the mistake in this sentence? Who can let me know what's the mistake in this sentence? Vaibhav, can you tell me what's the mistake in this sentence? Vaibhav, unmute to yourself and tell me the mistake in this sentence. Dear students, if you feel that my answer can be wrong, but you should try to give your answer. It's wrong, there's no matter. Okay, but at least you should try to give the answer. Himanshi, you please Himanshi, can you tell the answer?
Yes, sir.
What's the mistake in
Yes.
one sentence? I am so tall as my brother.
So my brother is as tall as me.
Yeah, we can say this sentence also, but basic mistake is that we need to use as here, not so. So we can use whenever we make any negative sentence, but in positive sentence, you need to use as tall as. Okay, you can say I am as tall as my brother, or you can also say my brother is as tall as I am, right? So both the way are right, but instead of so, you need to use as there. Good, very good. You have given the right answer. Next sentence is that iron is useful than copper. Iron is useful than copper. What's the mistake in this sentence? Iron जो है वो copper से ज़्यादा useful है. So what's the mistake in this sentence? Who can let me know? Nitya, you please tell me.
Yes, sir.
What's the mistake in the last sentence? Iron is useful than
I
copper.
iron is useful as copper.
No, beta, that's not mistake. Okay, I tell you, but you have tried very well. So you can see that then is there. So we need to use here comparative degree, second degree we need to use, and useful is first degree. So we need to say this sentence, iron is more useful than copper. Iron is more useful than copper. Okay. Next sentence. The pen is mightier than the sword. The pen is mightier than the sword. What's the mistake in last sentence? Saksham, you please tell me. Saksham. Saksham, please unmute yourself and tell me the answer of last sentence. The pen is mightier than the sword.
सर स्क्रीन पे दिख नहीं रहा.
दिख नहीं रहा. But just say your network problem, I think.
सर एक बार लीव करके देखते हैं.
Now, is it visible or not? Okay. Let me so. Vaibhav, you please tell me what's the mistake in the last sentence? The pen is mightier than the sword.
सर आपसे क्वेश्चन है.
Yes. Question you can
सर
ask.
माइट्री का मीनिंग क्या होता
Mightier का मतलब ज्यादा ताकतवर.
है? The pen is more mightier than the sword.
Might is also a comparative degree. No need to use more. Another mistake.
The pen is as mightier than as a sword.
You are telling the different formation. Okay, but you have tried very well. Actually, in this, you can see the spelling of then, T-H-E-N. So this word will not come here, T-H-A-N. This then will come. You can see in other examples, T-H-A-N, T-H-A-N, but here we have written T-H-E-N. So this then will not come, this then will come, T-H-A-N. Okay. The pen is mightier than the sword. Remember this T-H-A-N, this then will come here if we want to make comparison, right? Okay, next. Australia is largest island in the world. Austria is largest island in the world. Can you tell me what's the mistake in this sentence? Who can let me know? Raise your hand. Natik, you please tell me. Australia is largest island in the world. Okay, Himanshi, you please tell me. Himanshi, you please tell me.
Australia is the largest island in the world.
Yeah, Australia is the largest island in the world. So the we need to use whenever, dear students, we use a superlative degree in our sentence. So we should use the before the superlative degree, right? So we need to say this sentence. Australia is the largest island in the world, right? Next sentence. The USA is the most rich country in the world. The USA is the most rich country in the world. What's the mistake in this sentence? Yug Chaudhary, you please tell me. The USA is the most rich country in the world.
Sir, the USA is the most richest country in the world.
The USA is most richest country in the world. Yug, you have tried very well, but your answer is not right. Right? Most, like there is no need to use most. So superlative degree of rich is rich, richer, richest. Most or more we can add when there are two syllables or more than two syllables. Okay, rich. So one syllable is there, so we need to make richest, right? Not most richest, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Come on the next sentence. Next exercise is regarding saying the comparative and superlative degrees of the given adjectives. So some words are here. You need to tell me their comparative degree and superlative. Rule I tell you, when there is a one syllable. Syllable means when there is a one sound. Okay. If there is sound is one, then you need to use ER or EST. Okay. If there is more than one syllable, more than one sound, then you can use more and most. Okay, so I tell you rich, one syllable is there. If I say beautiful, beautiful, two syllable are there, so in this we need to add more and most. And by some examples we will understand this point. Positive, comparative and superlative degrees, you have to say. Cheap word is there. So cheap. So what is the comparative and superlative degrees of cheap word? Who will let me know? Cheap word. Muskan, you please tell me. Muskan.
Sir, cheaper, cheapest.
Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Very good, right answer.
Cheapest.
Yes, very good, right answer. Next, long. Long word is there. Prince, you please tell me. Prince, tell me long.
Longer, longest.
Yes, long, longer, longest. Very good, because there is a one syllable. Next is wise. Wise. So who will let me know? Siddharth. Siddharth, you please tell me. Wise, what is the comparative and superlative degree of wise?
Sir, wiser, wisest.
Yes, very good. Wise, wiser, wisest. You can see E is already there, so just we need to add R only, okay, and ST while making superlative and comparative degrees. Next, easy. Easy word is there. So what's the comparative and superlative degrees of easy word? Rachit, you please tell me. Rachit.
Sir, the easiest.
Easy, easier, easiest. Yes. Y letter is there before the Y. Consonant letter is there. So while making comparative and superlative degrees, we should remove Y and we should add IER and IEST. Okay. Next, difficult. Difficult. Two syllable are there. So what can be the comparative and superlative degrees of difficult? Who will let me know? Raise your hand. Let me see any new student is there or not. Wait, please. Okay. Ayush, you please tell me. Ayush Sandhu.
More difficult, most difficult.
Yes, two syllable are there. That's why we need to say difficult, more difficult, and most difficult. I have told you when there is a two syllable word is there or more than two syllable word is there. So while making comparative and superlative, we should use more and most. Next, interesting. If I say interesting, What is the comparative and superlative degrees of interesting word? Who will let me know? Yeah. Kesar, you please tell me. Kesar, you please tell me what is the comparative and superlative degrees of interesting word?
More interesting, most
Yes,
interesting.
yes, interesting, more interesting, and most interesting. I think you must have understood how to make comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, very good. So, can you tell me, dear students, some words are there. We have to learn the comparative and superlative degrees of those words because their comparative and degree and superlative degrees are totally different from the positive degree. So can you tell me what is the comparative and superlative degrees of good word? If I say good, so what is the comparative and superlative degrees of good word? Who will let me know? Ekansh, you please tell me.
Sir, good, better, best.
Good, better, best. Very good. So some words are there. We can't add er or est or more or most. Something else we have to say. Okay, like good, better, best. We have to learn these adjectives, right? Next, if I say bad, what is the comparative and superior degrees of bad? Who will let me know? You can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, bad, roast, or sir, roast.
Bad, worse, worst. Bad, worse, worst. We need to say like that. Okay. Very
Yes.
good. Next, much. If I say much, what is the comparative and superlative degrees of much? Who will let me know? Please raise your hand. Siddharth Rana. Please tell me.
Sir, most, more, most.
Much, more, most. Yes, very good.
Most.
Right answer. Much, more, most. Very good. Next is that many. If I say many, what is comparative and superlative degrees of many? Manika, you have raised your hand very late. Manika, you please tell me. I think she doesn't know. Okay. Ekansh, you please tell me what is the comparative and superlative degrees of many?
More much, more much. Sir, many, more much.
Who is telling you? Who is sitting with you?
No, sir, कोई नहीं.
Yeah, voice was coming. Okay. Many,
Sir, वो
more,
मेरी
and
थी.
sorry.
Sir, वो मेरी थी.
Wo?
मेरी वॉइस थी, sir.
Okay, okay. Many, more, most. These are like much and many. Both the word are having the same comparative and superlative degrees. Okay. Next is near word. Near. What is the comparative and superlative degrees of near word? Near. Who can let me know? You please tell me. What is the comparative and superlative degrees of near?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the comparative and superlative degrees of near.
Sir, near, nearest.
Okay, I tell you. Near, nearer, nearest. Near, nearer, nearest. Right? Next is old. Old word is there. Who will let me know? Comparative and superlative degrees of old word. Kesar, can you tell? Kesar.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Older, older.
Older, oldest, and along with this, elder and eldest. So two comparative degrees are there and two superlative degrees are there of old word, that is older, elder, oldest, eldest. Okay. Next is that late. If I say late, so what is the comparative and superlative degrees? This all the words are given in your book, please. Okay. So next time you need to learn these words in from your book. So who will let me know? about late word? Nitya, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me. What is comparative and
Later, latest.
yes, later, latter, latest, and last. Two positive, two comparative degrees are there, and two superlative degrees are there. Okay, mute yourself. Nitya. Next is that far, far. So who will let me know comparative and superlative degrees of far word? Uh, Vaibhav, you please tell me. Vaibhav, what is the comparative and superlative degrees of far?
Far, farther, farthest.
Far, farther,
Farther,
farthest, or
farthest.
far, further, furthest. So two comparative degrees are there and two superlatives. In your next class, I will tell the difference between these two comparative and two superlative degrees. Okay. Next is that little. If I say little, Little, little. So what is comparative and superlative degrees of little word? Manika, you please tell me.
Least.
Hmm.
Sir, least.
Okay, very good. I tell you, little, less, lesser, least. Two comparative degrees are there: little, less, less, lesser, and least. Very good. Okay, so in your next class, I will tell you difference between old, older, oldest. Means like 2 degrees are there of some words. So I will tell you the difference between these 2 degrees. So now only a few minutes are left. Let's take a quick revision of all the things. For the next class, dear students, you need to learn all these degrees. Okay. Again, I tell you positive degree and comparative degree so that next time when I will put some question, so you will be able to give the answer. Again, I tell you, dear students, remember this. जब हमें किसी की कोई क्वालिटी बतानी होती है, then we have to use only positive degree. Like Mohit is a tall boy, Rahul is sad. It is an easy question. In this sentence, I'm just telling the quality of someone. I'm not making any comparison, right? But if you want to show the similarity of someone, right, in the quality, so we can use as positive degree as, right, like suppose that Ram and Sham both are having the same height, so we can say that Ram is as tall as Sham, right? And if the same quality means like dissimilarity we want to show with the negative sentence, so we can say that, like suppose Ram height is 6 feet and Sham height is 7 feet, so we can say Ram is not as tall as Mohan. So Mohan height is 7 feet. And this sentence also we can say Ram is not so tall as Mohan. Remember this point. So positive degree as this sentence we can't use in positive sentence. In negative sentence we can use this formation. Okay. Then again, I told you about the comparative degree. So whenever we make comparison of two things, we need to use comparative degree. Like suppose Ram is 6 feet and Mohan is 7 feet. So we can say, sorry, Mohan is 7 feet. So we can say Mohan is taller than Ram. And we can say this sentence in this way also. Mohan is taller of two boys. Then second example I gave you, red car speed is 100 kilometer and yellow car speed is 120 kilometer per hour. So we can say this sentence, the yellow car is faster than the red car and the yellow car is faster of the two cars. So in this way we can say. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take. Okay. About superlative degrees, I told you, you can use superlative degrees when you have to make comparison between more than two things. Like three cars are there, red car speed 100 kilometer per hour, yellow car 120, black car 150. So comparison is of three cars. So we can use here superlative degree, like the black car is fastest car of these three cars. Remember this, whenever you have to do comparison indirectly with the help of selection, then you have to use superlative degree. Otherwise, with the comparative degree also you can make comparison, like you can say the black car is faster than any other car. right? So with the examples of fruits I told you about mangoes, oranges, and apples. So now, dear students, if you want to ask any question regarding comparative degree and superlative degrees, then please come forward.